Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Basecamp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you make a Basecamp project public? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to make your Basecamp project public anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're working in Basecamp, you know their projects by default are invite only, but maybe you want your project to be seen by everybody in your Basecamp group. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to make one of your projects public, what you're going to do is go ahead and choose the project right here on the top. So for example, this one right here, and just click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see the progress for your project in Basecamp, but you want to click on these three dots here on the top right. All right, once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here, Edit Project Settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, so here you can go ahead and edit the settings for the project. However, in order to make it public, you want to scroll down until you see this section. This project is, and as you can see by default, it's invite only. However, you want to go ahead and change that to all access. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these two options. So by making it public, do you want to make it available to anybody inside of your Basecamp, or do you want to make it available to anyone inside your Basecamp except for your clients? For me, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at everyone, and I'm going to click here on Save Changes. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my project has all access. It's written up here on the top left. And if you hover over it, it's going to give you a little bit more information about making your Basecamp project public. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to make your Basecamp project public, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.